Hi guys. Today we are visiting the Chandragiri Fort in Andhra Pradesh. There is more to Tirupati than spirituality, and Chandragiri Fort is a reminder of those who ruled over the sacred land. It is an interesting place to visit for heritage enthusiasts. Chandragiri was built by the Yadava Rayas in the 11th century, and they ruled it for over 3 centuries. After 3 centuries of Yadava Raja rule, the Vijayanagara dynasty conquered it in 1376, following a defeat in the Battle of Talikota. They shifted their capital from Hampi to Chandragiri, which the fort gained prominence. It passed under the hands of the Sultan of Golconda in 1646 and Hyder Ali in 1782, who incorporated it into the Mysore kingdom. Spread over an area of 25 acres, the citadel is divided into 2 parts, the lower and upper fort. The lower fort stretches along plains to the south of a hill. It's roughly crescent in shape and hence the name Chandragiri Fort, meaning Hill of the Moon. There, 2 well-preserved sculptures are here, Raja Mahal and Rani Mahal. The Raja Mahal, the larger of 2, is a 3-storied building built of stone and mortar. There is a large central tower and smaller ones at the periphery. The main structure here is the Raja Mahal, the King's Palace. It is now used as a museum. A museum was established in the Raja Mahal in 1988. It has a collection of armory, sculptures, coins, documents emerged from excavations on places of historical importance of Andhra Pradesh. There is also a Rani Mahal or the Queen's Palace. The Rani Mahal is a two-story edifice whose ground floor was probably a stable and the first floor living quarters. An inspection in the building suggests that it was the commander's residence. More interestingly, there is a walk through the lanes of the erstwhile fort, which is dotted with ancient and recent temples against the backdrop of the rocks. We are visiting the deserted temple of the Vijayanagara king. The full diagonal view of architecture of a deserted old South Indian Hindu temple made of stone built by Vijayanagara kings near Chandragiri Fort in Tirupati, Andhra in 11th century. These are marvelous picturesque locations which you can visit even though they are desolate structures they still have a beauty within them. You will gaze in awe as the huge rocks fit into perfection as you progress on this monument. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.